Again, a person died in a head-on collision between a passenger auto and a Mahindra Pickup. 10 other passengers are seriously injured. Incident took place in front of the Sonatola Panchayat office at Khorang on Thursday afternoon. Again, a terrible accident took a life of a person. Likewise, 10 other people are seriously injured in a head-on collision between a passenger auto and a Mahindra Pickup. The incident occurred in front of the Sonatola Panchayat office in Khorang on Thursday afternoon. It is known that a passenger auto left for Khorang with passengers from Chini area under Khorang police station. The passenger auto collided head-on with a Mahindra Pickup in front of the Sonatola Panchayat office. 11 people in the passenger auto were seriously injured. After the incident, the fire brigade were informed, and immediately the fire brigade personnel rushed to the spot and rescued the injured and took them to Khorang hospital. Meanwhile, out of 11, 9 people were seriously injured and they were referred to Agartala JB Hospital. And one person is undergoing treatment at Khorang District Hospital, but the other was declared dead by the doctors at Khorang Hospital.
ट्वेल्व क्लॉक को जब तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी उसी टाइम पे एक ऑटो और एक जो महिंद्रा का जो छोटा पिकअप होता है उस पिकअप में दोनों के बीच में आपस हेड टू हेड कोलिजन हुआ। उसमें 9 लोग इंजर हुए हैं। एक का स्पॉट डेथ हुआ है जिसको अभी हॉस्पिटल में लेके गए खवाई हॉस्पिटल में, एंड बाकी 9 लोगों को जीबी में रेफ़र किया। ये बारिश के दौरान जो ऑटो वाले ने साइड में डैश किया उसको, जो पिकअप है उसको, उससे यहाँ पर वो पलटी खा गया, टक्कर खा के उसके बाद में इंजर हुआ है।
सर ये जो ऑटो आ रहा है पैसेंजर
में 5-6 लोग थे, तो उसमें शायद आगे भी एक बैठा हुआ था, उसी की वजह से।
Meanwhile, with the increasing of the road accident in the state, common people of the state are now in the state of fear. Reported by Biplov from Khorang, Chini Khorang.